In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use image blocks on Squarespace 7.1 using the classic editor. Whether you're a seasoned Squarespace user or just starting out, incorporating images into your pages is a great way to enhance visual appeal and convey your message effectively. Let's dive right in. First, make sure you're on the Squarespace website. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and do so. Once you're in, navigate to the page where you want to add an image and click on the Edit button to enter the editing mode. This allows you to make changes directly to your page and see them in real time. Now, with the page ready for edits, look for the option to Add Block. It's usually represented by a small icon, making it easy to find. Clicking this will open up a menu of different types of blocks you can add to your page. These blocks are essentially building components for your website, allowing you to add text, images, videos, and more. From the menu that appears, select the Images block. This is where the magic happens. You'll notice a plus icon. Go ahead and click that. Here, you'll have a few different options for selecting the image you want to use. You can upload a file directly from your computer, which is perfect if you have custom graphics or brand-specific images. Squarespace also provides a library of stock images. Feel free to browse through this selection if you're looking for something generic or thematic. Using stock images can save time and offer high-quality visuals if you don't have suitable images on hand. If you're on mobile and have images stored on your device, you can upload directly from there as well. This is especially handy if you've just taken a photo or have the perfect image readily available on your phone. Whichever method you choose, once you have your image selected, make sure to click it. This action confirms your choice and adds the image to your page. And just like that, you're all done. You've successfully added an image block to your page using Squarespace 7.1's classic editor. It's a simple process, but one that can make a big difference in how your website looks and feels to your visitors. Remember, images can speak 1,000 words, so choose ones that best represent your content and engage your audience. Thanks for tuning in today. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful as you continue to build and customize your site. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to explore additional resources or drop a comment. Happy building, and until next time.